OneMonroe has been a key player in global manufacturing for over 30 years, serving a variety of industries with a wide range of quality products. With our office and full-time staff located in Shanghai, China, we have developed strong partnerships with multiple factories throughout Asia, and we continue to seek out the best overall value in manufacturing all over the world. All of our factories undergo a rigorous qualification process. This includes a complete plant audit, comprehensive production capabilities review, and verified quality procedures. Our tooling is designed to meet customer specifications while maintaining strict quality tolerances through all production runs. Our first article inspection process ensures all products meet specified design requirements. We offer custom stocking programs that accommodate your just-in-time needs to optimize delivery and inventory levels. We manage all of the following functions: pre-purchasing material, transit times, arranging shipments, custom clearance, local delivery, warehousing, and more. Global sourcing can be a daunting and expensive process. OneMonroe is ready to guide and support your company through every step of the way.